we can't do the conversation on challenges without talking about fees and costs, but maybe we can think of it slightly different. So obviously they're two ends of the same pie, income, outgoings. Where's the sweet spot? Because managers, if they're looking into areas where there's more capacity for arbitrage, so potentially alpha outperformance, and as such perhaps ideally fees that are more commensurate with those services. What's the balance between running lean and running mean, if that makes any sense? Do you think with whether it's outsourced providers that are out there to provide some of the elements that were traditionally run inside an asset manager, like a light sailing boat, for example, can asset managers now run with just a core component of operations and then save money in that way? Or is it just you have to charge what you have to charge and the cost has to be the cost? I mean, what's your view on those two competing?
Okay, so first of all, costs are coming, in terms of revenue, margins are coming down. Yeah. It's a highly competitive market. And certainly at the institutional level, superannuation funds in the main have been very successful in driving fees down over many years to very low levels. Working for a global fund manager, we operated a global rate card for our investment strategies. We could not sell our strategies, take your pick, global equities for example. We could not sell global equities into Australia at the global rate card because the market was so competitive, we were operating below it. So I had to get special dispensation to get a discount on those fees. Yeah. To tell, and we turned away a lot of mandates for that reason because we could get bigger mandates at high margin in the States, for example, which surprised people would think the United States is a highly efficient market. Well, when it comes to fees, Australia leads.
Okay. So on the cost side, then, does that mean that managers have to be just ruthless on the cost side?
So need to be efficient, absolutely. And I should note too that we're seeing a decline in decrease in fees across other segments as well. So wholesale fees are coming down as well. So yes, absolutely. Managers need to be efficient, particularly in light of the fact, I go back to those big traditional managers that have been very successful over the years, probably underperformed over the last 10 years. Yeah. They're starting to see outflows, and they have been seeing outflows. And what's going out the door is higher margin business than what's coming in. So for every dollar that goes out, you've got to win $2 to come in.